Okay guys, this is the video for the phonics lesson for January the 26th. Again, we're talking about prefixes. Remember, prefixes are letters at the beginning of a base word that changes its meaning. And we went over these prefixes several days. Un means not, re means again, miss means not, dis means not or opposite of, and non means not. I hope you've been reviewing these and been practicing and doing the videos, and I even put up a game yesterday. I hope you practiced that with these prefixes. Alright, I'm going to call out a word, and then we're going to chart these words. We're going to sort them. We're going to put words in the prefix un in the first column, re in the second column, just like I have here. Miss will go in the third column, dis the fourth column, and non will go in the last column. Okay, I'm going to start first. The first one I'm going to say is unclear. What word did I say? Unclear. Now, what do you think the base word is? We know the prefix is un, right? So the base word is going to be clear. So we have unclear. Okay, put that a little bit closer so you can see it. Unclear. The next word I want to model is reorder. Now, which category do you think reorder goes under? Of course, the re. So reorder, think about the word reorder. Reorder. So re means again. So if you reorder something, you're doing it again, okay? So what's the base word that you hear in reorder? Re is your suffix, but what is your base word? Order is your base word. So I'm going to underline order in reorder. Okay? The next word I want to model is misplace. When you misplace something, you can't find it, right? So misplace would be not finding something. So misplace. I'm having to write the word small so they can fit in these columns. Place is your base word in this one, misplace. All right, now I want you to help me do some. Your first word is unclear. What word? Unclear. Unclear has the base word of clear. So unclear, we've already wrote in our column. All right, the next word is reorder. Whoops, I already wrote that one too. The next one is misplaced. So I've modeled three. I've modeled three with prefixes and base words. Now, the next word I want to say is disbelief. So we know it goes in what column? The dis column. So if you disbelief in something, or you have a disbelief in something, it means you don't believe in it. So non-belief or not believing. So disbelief. Now what would be your base word? Belief. Good. The next word is non-stop. Non-stop means I'm not stopping. I'm not stopping. So non-stop would go here. My base word would be stop. Okay, on the next group, we're going to kind of do something a little different. We're going to circle our prefix. All right, so the next group, nonfiction. Say the word, nonfiction. So what do you hear as the prefix? Non. So I'm going to put nonfiction. And just as we did on our practice sheet on Monday or Wednesday, we underline our base word and we circle our prefix, okay? The next word is misfortune. Misfortune, yes. Misfortune goes in the miss category. I have to write it really small because it's a big word, misfortune. Just in my writing to my space, misfortune. All right, the next word I want to say is disagree. Disagree is going in what column? The dis column. So disagree. What is my prefix? Dis. Base word, agree. It means not to agree upon something. The next word is unthinkable. Unthinkable goes in my un column, which means I'm not thinking about something. Unthinkable. So think is my base word. Think is my base word. Un is my prefix. Well, what is able? Well, able is a suffix. Able is a suffix meaning able to do something. So I'm not able to think about it. I'm not able to think about it. It's unthinkable. The next word is reappear. And of course, reappeared is going in our re column. I'm I'm going to write it sideways like this so you can see all of it. Reappeared. And you can practice with this chart as well at home. My base word is appear. Now look, I have something on the end and something at the beginning. The letters at the beginning is a prefix. We know that because that's our skill this week, right? The words at the end, which makes it a past tense, is ed. That's called a suffix. So this is my suffix, this is my base word, and this is my prefix. So if you're not sure about these terms, you need to write them out on a sheet of paper. You need to label your things. You need to label your prefix, label your base word, label your suffix if it has a suffix on it. Guys, and really dig into these words on how to break them apart. Finding the base word first and then determining whether it has a prefix or a suffix to help you. All right, another word I want to model is discomfort. Discomfort. Now, what do you think the prefix is on that? Dis, right. I'll write it big too so you can see it. Discomfort. Now, discomfort. All right, so I know my base word is comfort, and my prefix is dis, which means I'm not comfortable doing something. All right, now I'm going to do a little more. Get another board. All right, I'm going to write a couple more words. All right, your first word is unroll. On unroll, I have a prefix of un, and my base word is roll. All right, you do the next one. Say the word. What word is it? Okay, what is my base word? What is my prefix? And again, it means if you retire, you're doing it again. Okay, the next word is misfit. Okay, base word, fit, prefix, miss, not fitting. All right, your next word. Some of you know this word. Hope you don't get in trouble with it. Disobey. Obey is your base word, means you're doing something right. When you disobey, you're not doing it right. You're not doing what you're supposed to do. And the last word is nonsense. Say the word. Nonsense. Well, I know this is my prefix after practicing all these words. So sense is my base word. So nonsense means it's not making any sense. It's not right. All right, guys, that is your prefix, your dictation skill lesson. I want you to go on realize.com and read the Decodable 12B. It's titled Mr. Sullivan Goes to Work. Okay, and then I want you to try to pick out those prefixes, words with prefixes, and make sure you try to practice the base word, finding the base word, and then finding the prefix. And what you can do is kind of write those down on a piece of paper and kind of highlight the prefix, or circle the prefix and underline the base word. Okay, have a great day. I'll see you in the next video.